Hi, I'm Tammy Roehling. I'm Associate Professor here in the Doctorate Physical Therapy program, as well as the Director of our Post-Professional Doctorate Physical Therapy program.
I'm Dr. Pamela Kays, and I'm an Associate Professor with the Entry-Level Doctor of Physical Therapy program, and I'm also the Director of Curriculum. My relationship with ATSU University actually started as a student. That's where I first met Dr. Rhoeling. She was one of my instructors.
So I've been a physical therapist for almost 30 years. And I've been doing pelvic health for the last 20 years.
Well, I'll start because one of the people who planted that seed in my mind was Dr. Rhoeling, because she was the instructor of mine for this course when I was a student here. And I didn't even know that there was a realm of physical therapy that was pelvic physical therapy.
And for me, when I had my daughter 22 years ago, I had a really bad birth injury. So I figured I better learn as much as I can to help myself personally. I was actually the third pelvic health physical therapist in the entire state of Arizona. Now there are over 100. And so I really like to think that that growth over the last 20 years has been just us trying to inspire our students. So very few programs in the country actually have a gender-specific course. A lot of times it is sprinkled throughout the curriculum, but our program, we have a very 10 weeks dedicated to learning these important topics.
So one of the things that our program offers is different levels of simulation experiences, and this goes from artificial patient to acting patient to real patient who actually has those conditions.
And then also we have our ATSU University OT-PT Center, which is a pro bono clinic, and we treat a wide variety. And so that's really exciting for them to be able then to take what they learn in the classroom, now apply it to real patients in our center with their faculty members supervising them. With our admission criteria, we do a holistic admissions, and so we're looking at the whole person, which kind of goes with our mission here at ATSU University.
I feel like we model that with our students. We approach them as whole people. We know they have adult lives, but we also model it with each other and approach faculty and staff and colleagues with that kind of whole person perspective.
And I just think our dedication to our students and their success really sets us apart.